Okay, you know the drill. Part 5. Let's go. Okay, that last section 4, definitely the best pull so far. Well, I don't know. Well, yeah, I think so. I think part 4. We'll see how this goes. Energy. Welcoming Lantern. Hello, hello. There we go. Welcoming Lantern. Clara. Brawly. Farfetch'd. Cast Form. Larvesta. Sobol. That's cute. Ledeba. Oh, a reverse Sobol and a Volcarona. Volcarona? Corona. Alright. Second pack of part 5. Getting through this half part of the box. Last half of the box. So far, the last half seems a little better, but we don't know fully. Energy. Reboot. Agatha. Fog Crystal. Aaron. Snorunt. Venipede. Snorver. Slowpoke. Cast Form Reverse with, oh, something. Oh, I think it's Full Art Trainer, baby. Yeah, oh, and it's a rainbow. Secret Rare. Hyper Rare. Nice. Alright. Definitely the second half is turning out to be much better than the first. Okay. So, can we get more than just this one rainbow secret rare? Thinking there's always a possibility. So you're saying there's a chance. Alright, pop that Clara in. Here we go. Pop that into the VIP section. And we move on. Next pack. Okay, Energy. Fluffy. Path to the Peak. Leon. Heracross. Clobbopus, Grookey, Sneasel, Weedle, Reverse Hollow Slurpuff with, oh, another hit, a Zorora V. Very cool. Okay, so definitely this section 5, well, part 5, last part of this box has been some serious fire. Can we keep it going? A hit every pack? Is it possible? Energy. Lairon. Fire-resistant gloves. Welcoming Lantern. Ledeba. Scorvet. Crabrawler. Grookey. Scorbunny. Reverse Paragon 2. And a Zangoose. Alright, that ruined the hits, but that's okay. It's okay. Still got 2 more of this section. Can still pull something. There we go. Energy. Caitlin. Lucky Energy. Chestplate. Aeron. Deerling. Delibird. Larvesta. Arup. Crushing Glove. Reverse. With a Galarian Wheezy. Alright, come on. Last pack for this section. Can we do it? Energy. Perlia. Come on. Agatha. Flannery. Flanneria. Delibird. Larvesta. Mareep. Heracross. Clopus. Ladybug. And, oh, got another. Got another. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And it's, oh! It's a second Calyrex VMAX full art. What? What? Alright, well, this could be a very interesting recap at the end here. Okay, check out the last part. Thanks. Bye.